Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Iceland's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Iceland's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in iceland.co.uk and make a search. The official page of Iceland's account will appear on the screen. Click on Register option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your details including your first and last name, your contact phone number, your address details including postcode, town, country, your email address and create a password for your Iceland's account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you have a card, tap on Yes, I have a card from a store or else click on No, tell me more. Scroll down and tick mark on the box that says I'm not a robot. Complete the verification process and tap on Create Account option. This is how you can sign up for your Iceland's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.